Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix God of War Ragnarok controller not working PlayStation or Xbox. Let's fix it guys. Method 1. If you have plugged more than one controller to your system, then you need to unplug all the controller except the one you are going to use it to play God of War Ragnarok, and unplug wheelbase plugged to your system or any kind of racing wheel. Next thing, if you are connecting the controller using a Bluetooth, I recommend using a USB cable to connect your controller with your system and try to play the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to open up Steam, right click on the God of War Ragnarok and select properties. Select controller on the left side, on right side overwrite for God of War Ragnarok. Click on this drop down and select enable Steam input, and after enabling it just close tab here. Now you just need to select the Steam tab and select settings. Select controller on the left side, on right side you just need to enable Steam input for Xbox controllers. Just enable it if you are Xbox user. For PlayStation user, you just need to click on this drop down over here and select this to enabled. After that just close stuff here, and now you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to check my video description for these links used in my video. You can use DS4 Windows or REWASD for your game controller. Download one of these programs and install it. After installing it, use this program to launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.